Hi. Are you looking for a service to clean up your email list? Do you want to prevent your subscribers from registering using temporary email? Then Reoon Email Verifier can do all of these for you. Let's log in and start by checking a few random emails one by one from different email providers. This random email is from Gmail and its inbox is full. Because of that, the user will not be able to receive any new emails to that address. Although this was a valid email address, and now you know that. Let's change the email address a little and try again. This one is totally safe and in good condition. Now let's do the same checks again with a few valid and invalid emails from Microsoft and Yahoo. The Microsoft and Yahoo emails are hard to verify, but you can already see that our app can verify them as well without any issue. So far the results are very impressive. But what about the temporary emails? Let's search on Google and open the top 3 temporary email service providers. Temporary email providers always keep changing their email domains to make the detection harder. But our fully automated system keeps everything up to date to ensure high-quality results every time. Now we test the temporary emails from each of them one by one to check how the detection performs. The result is again fully accurate. We know that one-by-one email verification may not be much useful in terms of business. You may want to verify hundreds or thousands of email addresses at once. You can either copy-paste the email addresses to our app or you can just upload the file. At first, let's see how the copy-paste solution works. We have a small email list saved in a text file. So we copy-paste all of them to the app and then started the email verification. The verification may take some time depending on the number of email addresses. In our case, it only took 9 seconds. The interactive UI will allow you to check the status of the provided list in a beautiful way. Our app also categorized the results into multiple categories including safe, risky, invalid, and unknowns. You can download results from any category individually or you can download all the results together. In this test, let's download all the results together and open them in Microsoft Excel. You can see there are new extra columns created with all the essential information you may need. With these data you can easily understand why an email is marked as safe, invalid, or risky. You can use these pieces of information according to your needs and you can even set up your own rules. Now let's see how the file upload solution works. But before that, let's generate a few thousand leads first using our Reoon Yellow Pages scraper. You can find the link of this software in the description. We opened the software Reoon Yellow Pages scraper on our computer. Then we have entered our desired keyword and locations and then started the scraping. You may already know that Yellow Pages are one of the largest directories of local business leads, and this software supports scraping from Yellow Pages of different countries. Scraping may take some time depending on the number of leads you want to get. Then we export the results as CSV, which is one of the Excel formats. After that, I've opened that file in Microsoft Excel. You can see that we got a lot of business leads with a lot of information. Then we do some pre-processing and save that file. Now let's upload that file to our email verification app and start the verification. The verification can take some time depending on the number of emails we are verifying. Our verification is completed successfully and here you can see the statistics of the results. Now let's download the safe results and open the downloaded file. Just like before, you can see that the app added a few extra columns with a lot of essential information. Now you are good to go and you can now start sending emails to that email list for the marketing of your business. Now let's talk about the API. If you are a developer or a business owner and want to integrate our service on your website or app, you can do that using the API. There are 2 modes on the API. The first one is normal mode and the second one is quick mode. The quick mode can verify an email address in less than half a second and detect invalid or temporary emails. This mode can be really useful for verifying customers' emails during their registration. And with that you can prevent your customers from using temporary emails, which will ultimately increase the profitability of your email marketing campaigns. Feel free to start using our service without any cost. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Visit www.reoon.com for more information and services. If you find this video helpful, please share this with your friends and thanks for watching.